was the wall in my garden. It was the fence of our garden. When we opened the kitchen window, so the window of my room, then I could see the wall every day.
When I came here as minister in 1985, I started very strongly to talk about the need to be ready for German reunification.
It was really difficult. The city started growing together from the start, different from other regions. Berlin was the only city in the West and the East that was together from the very first minute. And of course, you couldn't have two governments, two parliaments, or two transportation systems. It had to be connected.
You know, in the morning, that the Socialist Unity Party would become the most votes in the evening. It was clear. There was no vote. Yes, there was no election. But today there is an election.
Our points of view are that we are happy that Germany will be reunited, also because Europe will become reunited too. That's like the same thing for us.
Unification was a dream come true for most Germans, but the costs and social tensions have turned into a nightmare. Over 1 million Eastern Germans lost their jobs when old communist companies were closed. People grew nervous and angry. Then right-wing parties targeted foreigners and migrants. Soon, democracy itself came under attack, and protests turned violent. But Eastern Germans who remember the old wall fought back. They rallied support in communities and campaigned to unite all Germans.
I want to change some things in the society, and I like to work together with other people, and that's the reason why I be a politician.